Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to save Word document as a PDF free on PC. So let's start. So this is my Word document. You can see here I have a purchase data. So just drag it and I show you here the full data. So this data I'm going to save as a PDF. Here I show you two different ways you can save Word document as a PDF. So let's start the first one. Click on the file tab, click on the save as, then click on the this PC, just double click on here and save as a file tab, just click on this drop down arrow and select here the PDF. Okay, then enter your name of document. I select first destination where I want to save this. So after that I enter here purchase data, then click on the save and wait for the few seconds. And here in desktop this is a PDF is saved. See, the Word documents save as a PDF on PC. The second way, again I open the Word document and use the Control P, and here the print preview open. In printer option, just click on this drop down arrow and select the Microsoft Print to PDF option and click on the print, and that's it. Here you see the PDF document file type is automatically selected. Just enter the file name. So I just enter here purchase data 11. Okay, and save it. Now I go to the desktop and here you can see the second file is saved, purchase data 11. I just double click and that's it. Same as here, also save Word document as a PDF on PC. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe.